Hello, it's Forex News for Wednesday, November 11th, provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Kate Stichina. Not much changed for the last week and status quo is preserved. The US dollar is still fluctuating in accordance with the investors' propensity to risk. After the week during which the meetings of the leading central banks held, the key economic data were issued and even the summit of the G20 finance ministers took place, the American currency continues to be under pressure. The signs that investors will continue to use the dollar for financing purchases of more earning assets, such as commodity currencies and currencies of the countries with emerging market, have appeared. As before, the dollar reduction probably will be limited, taking into account the excessive volume of the short positions, as well as the rising tension at the options markets. These two factors will not allow the American currency to drop very strongly. However, if the dollar is now targeted somewhere, then it is obviously downward. The total reaction at the financial markets to the events of the last week was the feeling of release. It seemed that there were no surprises, the policy had remained firmer at the most part as it was expected, and the general recovery of the investors' propensity to risk could resume. The investors' mood have worsened for a while after the US unemployment data were issued on last Friday, testifying about more sharp growth than it was expected of the unemployment rate in the USA, to the rates which were observed for the last time in 1983. We will be back tomorrow at the next release. Goodbye.